I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic.
Crazy. We just got back from our walk. It was pretty long today. We went to the park and I took her on the swing for a little bit, but she was kind of getting fussy, so we're back home and she's drinking her bottle. We'll play for a little bit and then we'll put her down for her nap. To visit my dad at work.
Transfer complete.
Shoot some content for the social media stuff for that business, and then just have lunch with him and hang out so he can see the baby.
¿A poco no?
Sí. Ese también me gusta.
¿También?
Yeah. grocery shopping, and then we went to Target to get diapers, and then we came to Taco Bell to get the $7 box. And now we're on our way home.
Just stick your thing to the window.
This was my outfit. You would have seen this sweater in the thrift haul. This is from Goodwill too. And my flip-flops are from Old Navy. They got the $7 box. Oh, that's why she said more? Well. Okay. We got some chips, Chalupa Supreme, cheesy roll-up, bean 5-layer burrito, I think, mild sauce, and then they gave us cheese, I think for like the nachos, and then I got Diet Mountain Dew Baja Blast. The regular tastes better, but also, I know it looks like we eat really bad, but I promise you we eat pretty healthy. Every time I vlog, we just go out to eat.
But I live like an hour and a half away, and I'm trying to get...
So this is our groceries. So this is our produce. Some cottage cheese, regular for the baby. Bread. We got some of these. These come in handy during the week, just so we can have some veggies with our meals. We got some pork chops, chicken, ground beef, salmon, and then sandwich meat, and then some butter. We ran out of salt. These jumbo biscuits, some goldfish for the baby, and then some food for the dogs. And this was, how much was it? $60 from Kroger or King's.
Si tú te vas,
Bye.